Here is lab 4. Graphing quantity data with histograms. In this part we have two data sets. One is responses to physical fitness survey, the other one is Old Faithful. You can find them on StatCrunch in our group. Following steps, starting with part 1. Step 1, open dataset, responses to a physical fitness survey. Step 2, use graph, histogram. It's asking to have hours for columns, so click on this, and you should have this hours on right side. If not, you're not able to find the answer. So columns, hours. Then we have group by gender. It's asking for relative frequency, so type relative frequency. Display values above bars, so value above bar. This way we are able to see all the answers that we have for relative frequency for each bar. And it's not asking for mean and median, but I'm going to select these two. So that way we can see what exactly we have. Skewed right, skewed left, symmetric. Then we have x-axis, y-axis title. For x-axis, you should type these. I have these because I already typed, but you have to type them. You're not going to see them. So hours per week. This one, I had relative frequency. So what I had on top, first type was relative frequency. That's why our y-axis is relative frequency. And then title. This is histogram. For our data set is responses. So I'm going to have this. So you have to type histogram for data set, which is responses, then comma your last name. And then compute. You can resize. If you were not able to see these numbers for relative frequency on top, you can resize and see these numbers. This part it says that check the box for separate graph for each group. We didn't have that part, and we don't need that part, so just ignore that one because we already have one for female and the other one is for male. Now use option, copy. We're gonna have another page open. Now here, right click, copy, open Word. Here, it's ready to have your name and what lab you're working on, so what title is. It's graphing quantitative data. And then paste. We can also Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste, or Command-C, Command-V if you have a Mac. Close this one, not this. Use this arrow. And this is for male. Now, again, option, copy. This is another page. Right click, copy. Here in Word, Control-V or Command-V. Now close this. Back to PDF. Part 2. Now we're gonna open Old Faithful And again, graph, histogram. So this is Old Faithful, graph, histogram. It's asking to have, for column, its duration, and then choose type, frequency. So this is what we have, it's already here, it's frequency. Check the box for display values of all bars. It's this one. Again, same as what I did for the first data set. I'm going to have these two mean median. If in case you didn't, that's fine, because I didn't ask on PDF. And then title, first X and Y. Again, you have to type these. For X, I'm going to have duration of eruptions in minutes. For this one, frequency. And for title, so I did display for the first one, histogram responses, and in this part we have histogram, Old Faithful, comma, your last name. And then compute. So this is what we have. You can resize it. On this part, we have the highest frequencies that we have are 59 and we have 65. I had this on purpose. We didn't have this in lecture. You have to Google and see what is called when we have two peak. So what type of distribution you have when it's two peak. So Google, see what is called when we have two peak. Option, copy, right click, copy, Word, here paste, close it, and then here we have discussion part, copy all these and paste into Word. Okay, so paste here. Answer these questions. So the first one is about physical fitness, the first data set that we had. And we had two groups, men and women, so male, female. And this one, it's asking which one you prefer, relative frequency or frequency histogram. And number 3 is based on second data set, Old Faithful. It's asking to describe the distribution. Again, you can Google it and see what it's called when we have two peak, what kind of distribution we have. It's just one word. Okay, so follow steps. You have 3 histogram and you have 3 questions and discussion. After answering these, save this as PDF. So create PDF and submit on Canvas. And ignore the part. Okay, so this was lab 4.